Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Naeem Hussain. I am a PhD researcher in marketing at Putra Business School, UPM, Malaysia. I am very glad and proud to present my conceptual paper in the second International Scholars Conference, UUM 2020. The title of my paper is The Impact of Marketing Mix in Housing and Real Estate Towards Customer Satisfaction, Mediating Technology, and Moderating Effect of Building Process in Bangladesh. I have one respected co-author, Professor Dr. Abu Bakr Abdul Hamid, Putra Business School, UPM, Malaysia. I am the presenter of this paper. First of all, let's start with the introduction. The rapidly growing urban area and population impacts on the demand of housing in urban area. At the same time, their accommodation demands also become a key factor boosting in housing market in Bangladesh. Unending infrastructural development and technological improvement has also favored the market. The government regulations and rise in international investment in developing regions such as Asia Pacific, Middle East, and Africa, MEA, also influence the housing and real estate industry. Bangladesh is one of the populated developing country in the world. Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh and its population is 17.598 million. Dhaka receives has estimated 3 lakh to 4 lakh new migrated people every year. The key and highlighted issues is the producing and using of bricks in Bangladesh as a building material, because to produce bricks, people are using fertilized soil and burn it. To people are using the essential firewoods, which is polluting the environment. In the new technology, we can use the alternative building materials, but the people don't know about the new alternative building materials that much due to communication and marketing, proper marketing guideline. In this research, we would like to highlight how we could emphasize the use of alternative building materials to the mass people in urban and rural areas in Bangladesh, and wants to survey the customer satisfaction on these alternative building materials and products. All of these alternative building materials can promote more sustainable and affordable housing in Bangladesh. From the theoretical perspective, marketing mix is a vital tool to help understand what the product or services can offer and how to plan for a successful product offering. We know the marketing mix 4 P's. This is the product, price, place, and promotion. This also strengthen the customer satisfaction level. Customer satisfaction specifies how well the product knowledge compares to the behavior values prospects. It is the expected identified by the customer and consumer before purchasing and undergoing the product or services. Within the real estate perspective, technology may be interpreted in a broad sense to include modern hardware and software, resources, constructions, and design. Real estate business have started in Bangladesh in 1970. There was only 5 registered firms at that moment. Now more than 1,500 companies are active in the real estate sector, with 1,081 of them are officially registered with the REHAB. REHAB means Real Estate and Housing Association of Bangladesh. The building process means including all process throughout the life cycle of the building and infrastructure, from technical definition, programming, concept, and detailed design of the construction, handover, operation, and maintenance, and finally the dumping as well. So let's go to the conceptual framework. The conceptual framework, we have taken the marketing mix as a independent variable and customer satisfaction as a dependent variable. We have taken one mediating variable, technology, which directly influence on the marketing mix and customer satisfaction. We have taken one moderating variable here, the building process, which directly impact. Hypothesis development, we have created 4 hypotheses here. The 4 mechanism of the marketing mix are all considered to influence the level of customer satisfaction. The nature of the all relationship is predictable to be positive and significant. The research methodology, research approach, the study will be conducted. The deductive approach is a quantitative research, and then positive paradigm. The population, we have selected Dhaka city. Population is 17.598 million. Sample size should be around 380. Sample size determination using the Krzyk and Morgan. The sampling method is conventional sampling method. A research instrument, we will use the questionnaire. The data collection, the primary data should collect through the structured questionnaire. The data collect from the respondents by the researcher from the questionnaire survey. The data analysis method, descriptive statistics method, the regression analysis, and data analysis plan. We could use the AMOS, which is an added SPSS model, and especially used for structural equation modeling, path analysis, and confirmatory factor analysis. The result, this research would help to know the customer satisfaction and dissatisfaction, causes of the use of alternative building materials which would help to solve the issues of the affordable housing problem, and also to develop the housing and real estate business in Bangladesh. This research would help the potential buyers, the manufacturers, stakeholders, government, and policymaker of the country. From the academic point of view, in this research, especially the conceptual framework presents the unique relation between the marketing mix and customer satisfaction, also mediating the technology and moderating effect of building process from the author's best knowledge. As it is a conceptual framework, so there is huge opportunity for empirical research on this field and can add new variables as well. The knowledge from this study will help the other scholars to go for further research in housing and real estate sector and help enhance their knowledge. Discussion and conclusion part, I would like to say housing is one of the fundamental needs of the people all over the world. As one of the most populated in the world, Bangladesh also facing huge challenges in the housing sector. More than 7 million people are still facing housing problem. From them, the 4 million people in the urban city, they are facing problem. And the 3 million people from the rural area, they are also suffering for the housing issues. It's very difficult to resolve the housing issues only by the government. So the private sector should come up and help in this critical situation. As a capital city, new urban development center, Dhaka needs approximately 55,000 to 83,000 housing per year. But where is the government and the private sector altogether can produce only 25,000 housing per year. So there is a gap also. The rapid growing urbanization needs more accommodation and housing supply, which may produce a huge market for the real estate industry. To keep up with the rapid growth of modern technology and growth of infrastructural, growth of insubstantial, economical, and durable green building tools for the upcoming building construction, people have to stop the use of production of conventional brick, which damages the agricultural lands, increase the air pollution, emits the greenhouse gases, and also threatening the food security of the country. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.